Hi, this is Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and today I'm going to show you something that's going to change your sewing life and maybe your recreation life as well. I have got the new Nifty Notions Sew Clean vacuum cleaner, and this thing is exactly what you all have been asking for. Now, I know that we had that special edition Maker 68 with the little vacuum cleaner. Well, this makes that one look like a toy, really. And this is so easy to get all of the grime out of your machine, out of your sewing room, out of your cabinet, off your keyboard, all of those things. Plus, it also has a blowing feature. Now, we know we're not going to blow into your sewing machines, right? But we can blow into the sergers and some other things. And so that will clean those surfaces really easily. There are lots of different attachments for this. There are 3 attachments to blow and several attachments that can suck, including a wide mouth piece as well as narrower pieces and a narrower piece with a little brush. It is rechargeable, and it can blow up floaties, little rafts, and all different kinds of things. So why don't you check this guy out? It's only $99, and we do have them in stock, but if we run out, our stock will change to pre-order, so you can assure that you'll get one when another shipment comes in. So, all right. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you get one of these vacuum cleaners, because I'm going to be showing them at an event here with Adam So Fun in just a little bit. So you better get on the computer and order one of these now before all of our event attendees purchase them. All right, well, don't forget, if you want to see more videos like this one, or actual educational videos, or whatever the case may be, don't forget to check out our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. It's youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Happy sucking. That didn't sound too good, did it?